Hey guys, it's Mark here again. Today, I have to put my doors back on and my roof. And what I thought I'd show you guys is how long it takes me to do that. Got the doors over here. You can go check out the doors rack system in one of my videos. Also, I did a review on the hoist system up in my garage. And you guys can check that out on my videos. So, let me get my phone out. And we're gonna hit start now. Let's go. Alright, we are at 19 minutes and 40 seconds. We have the doors on. Let's get the rack put up and we're going to pull the Jeep in here and get this top on. Alright, we're at 35 minutes and we don't need the tools anymore. All we got left, we got the top on, doors on, we got the two tops put on right now, so let's go get them. Alright, we are done. 37 minutes on the dot. to get all the doors on, putting in all the bolts in the doors, getting the top down, connecting everything. So 37 minutes. Let's get this thing clean. I'm out. If you like this video, please hit that like button. Also check out my other Jeep videos. Thanks for watching.